Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency for the items that is displayed on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nike.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Nike website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage where you can start browsing through various different items right away. Now, while you are looking at the items, you will notice that the currency is set based on which region of the website you are accessing. So go back to the homepage and scroll all the way down and you will see your current location at the bottom right section. You can simply click on this location and now you can choose from the list of various different locations that are available. Once you click on the appropriate location of which you wish to view the currency for each item in, you will be taken into that country's website right away. And now all of the products that you see will be shown in the currency of that particular region. You can also change this within your profile by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and then clicking on account settings. And from this page, you can simply use the location drop-down menu to change your location for the respective currency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency on your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.